Alright, today is Friday, June 29th, and we will be doing the first out of 3-week series. We will do Ed, and Eddy. Today will be Ed. We're going to do the 1-minute sketch and then sketch it out. So, let's get started. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so 1 minute, wow, 1 minute mark. It looks like this.
Huh? Everybody's doing it! Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy! Excuse me, Eddy. This is my song.
If you can't beat 'em, show off! Let's mambo!
It took 8 minutes, 9 seconds, and 59 milliseconds, so almost 9 minutes. It's gonna go, nope, okay, kind of. Well, probably should do this more often. Looks like this. Not bad for a minute. It actually kind of looks like him, so I'm pretty happy about that. Rambling on. Thanks for watching. Enjoy. Peace, love, and hot sauce. And if you have any suggestions, put them in the comment section below or on Instagram. Till next time, y'all. Peace, love, and hot sauce. And I'm out.